Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I loved my last D&Co Active box so much that I went and ordered another one immediately afterwards. So today we have another D&Co Active haul, an unboxing. Technically I already unboxed it, but I'm gonna show you everything in here. I went back and went to my stylist and I wrote her a note of what I really liked and what I want to try. And I did mention I wanted to try like a workout jacket, and I did get one. So I'm going to show you everything, and this time I'm going to mention the prices because I forgot to do that last time. So I'll show you what I got. So the first thing is my favorite thing from this box, and it is a workout jacket. This is so warm and so soft. It's a hooded jacket. It's gray fleece, and then it has a quilting detail along some panels. And what I like in the back, it has that like puckered thing, so it's form-fitting. You're not gonna look like a big marshmallow. I don't like that. It's very hard as a plus size person, especially someone who carries a lot of their weight in the torso, in their stomach, in their chest, to have a like womanly shape in a jacket, and this gives me that. So it comes in really nice with the paneling and the cinching in the back. So I really, really like the shape this gives me. Also, this is just so warm and soft, perfect for going for a walk in November when it's kind of chilly, but you don't need a full winter jacket. This will be great in the springtime too, when it's kind of that transitional period where you're like, it's cold when I leave the house, but I don't want to be sweating by the time I get going. So this is perfect. It has zippered pockets, so you can, put your phone and your wallet in there. You don't have to carry a purse or anything. And I like that they're zippered, so everything's secure. So this is from the brand Active Zone. It's called their Premier Fleece Hooded Jacket. This one is in a 0X, which I'm guessing is their equivalent to a size 14, because I usually ask for a size 14. And this fits me just fine. I saw 0X and I was like, I don't know if it's gonna zip, if it's gonna fit across the back, tighten the arms. No, none of that. It was perfect. It has a little bit of stretch. Fit me just fine. I can definitely also fit a sweater under here while zipping this up and not looking, again, like a marshmallow. So this one is $76, which at first I was like, oh my God. But then if you think about it, a lot of active jackets across the board are around that price or even more. So I feel like that's a good deal, especially for the quality of this. And I really don't think you're gonna find anything cheaper with this quality. Also, I have the $20 styling fee that can go towards this, and if I keep all 5 items, there's gonna be an additional discount. Also, D&Co does something where they give you $30 if you refer a friend, and anyone can do this. It's not like you have to be a YouTuber or influencer. If you have a friend sign up for D&Co and they order a box, you get $30 to use towards an item in your box. So I feel like I can do that too. I do have a little bit of credits in there. So I could get this down, but even if I didn't, I would still pay $76 for this, because I do think that is completely worth it and a fair price for this jacket. Okay, the next 2 items are a set. I will show you them separately, but they do tie in and they're from the same brand. So the first one is a green workout tank top. I love this color green. I own so much of it, and I really do love how it looks on me. I think it looks really good with the red hair. So it is a V-neck green tank top, and then it has mesh along the top of the shoulders and along the back. So I really, really like that. Again, I love breathable, nothing too constricting kind of workout tops. So I thought this was really cute. I also think this will look really cute under that jacket. So I really like this one. This one is from the brand Lola Gets, and the pants after this are also gonna be from Lola Gets. One of them says Gots, but I think that's a typo. So this is the birch V-neck top. This is also in a 0X. I think it fits me just fine. It is a little form-fitting, but I would probably go to a 1X if I was buying this again. This one is also $55. So I do think that's a lot for a tank top. Like, I can go get this at Marshall's, Ross, Target for maybe $10. But if you do have those credits built up, or if you're keeping everything in your box, it will go down significantly. And as the set, I think it works really well together. So it just really depends on your budget. I do have to fix my D&Co profile. I filled it out kind of fast, and I focused more on the fashion and styles that I like, and I really should have also been really specific about my price range. So this is a $55 tank top. I don't think I'm gonna keep it for $55, which I think is overpriced, but it is really good quality. But I do need to size up anyway, so this one will be going back. But I love the style of this, I love the color, and as you'll see in 10 seconds, it goes really well with the pants. And these are the pants. So they are black capri length leggings. Again, I'm not like digging the Capri length, but they gave me Capri length last time and I've been wearing those a lot, so you never know. So plain black, which I love. I'm all about being basic, but they have a panel of green at the bottom. So I love a panel of fun. I like that. And this ties in to the green tank top. So if you wear them together, it's gonna look really cute. Also, you can wear these with basically anything. You know, this will go with a black, a white, because it's not too overbearing with like, hey, I'm that pop of fun, you know, it's just kind of like subtle, and I like that. These are really, really nice, very opaque, which we're all looking for. Who wants a see-through legging? No one. So these are really opaque. I did the test, I bent over, I did it all. And a great waistband. So these are gonna stay where you put them and not ride down as you're moving, jumping around, spinning, any of that. These are also, I think, in a size 0. Yeah, so these are the Walker Capri tights, and these are in a 0X. They fit me just fine, so it's, I don't know, I am kind of differently proportioned. So the 0X on top, I could have sized up. 0X on the bottom fits me just fine. Also, they're stretch pants, so they're gonna, if you're on the cusp, you're gonna fit. So I really, really liked how these fit, and I really liked how they went with the top. I did notice they have that little pocket up here. My cousin's a runner. I'm not. I don't think running for fun is fun. But it has that little pocket, so you can put your little supplies in there. I know she has like water, pills, blah, 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 all that runner stuff that I will never know. But there is a little pocket, maybe for your phone, maybe for a credit card if you want to do something like that. But they do have that little detail. So that's a nice little touch. And these were $70, which I think is pretty standard for a workout bottom. Especially if you compare it to like Lululemon, Athletica. That's a pretty standard price for athletic bottoms, and those are really good quality. Okay, next is a long sleeve top from Livy, which is that Lane Bryant activewear brand. So this is called the Lantana Graphic long sleeve top, and this is in a 14-16, and this is $44.95. So not a bad price, especially it's Lane Bryant, so you know their price range anyways. So this one is really cute, and I would probably wear it more as like a loungewear hanging around the house kind of top. I don't like graphic tees, but I do like them for the gym. I will admit that. I do. When I get a graphic tee, I usually wear it to the gym, and people usually get a kick out of it. I always get compliments. So this one says gym and tonic, so I think that's so cute. You know, it ties in the joke and the gym, you know. So this is in a charcoal gray, really, really soft long sleeve top. So again, great for lounging, great for like a yoga class. This one has a really cool detail along the arm. It's like a braid up the arm, and it goes all the way up. So I think that's really cool. Nothing too crazy with cutouts. It's gonna get caught somewhere. It's just like a cool little detail on a graphic top. So it's really soft, really comfy, and I think the fit is really nice. It's a little bit more form-fitting, so you can wear this to a yoga class and then go out and go food shopping. It's gonna look like a real outfit, so I think it's really cute, and again, really, really soft. Finally, we have a Freya Albert sports bra. And this is in a 40D, and this is $66. So this one is a sports bra. It does not have the underwire, and I usually like an underwire bra because I like the lift and separation. And once I had this on, I was like, okay, I don't have the underwire, but I am still separated, which I like. I don't like that uniboob effect you get in some sports bras. So I liked, these have little pockets. So you are gonna be separated, you're not gonna be touching, they're not gonna be sweaty boobs together. No one wants that. I did notice it wasn't giving me as much lift as an underwire sports bra would give me, but I wasn't drooping. So if you're one of those people who does not like underwire sports bras at all, this is still gonna give you a good lift and good support without anything digging into you. This also has the thicker straps, so it's a little bit more evenly distributed across your shoulders, and it's a little padded, so I really like that. Nothing is gonna dig into you. And this is in a plain black with some neon green stitching detail. This one for me, it was a 40D. I did find it a little tight, and then I had some side boob spillage, so I just need to fix my band size, probably go up to 42 or 44D. But I did like the coverage. Just covered your whole boob, so there's gonna be no spillage, and I did bounce around a little, and you're gonna stay where you need to be. So even though there's no underwire in here, you're not going to be bouncing all over the place. So this is good. I would say this could be a high impact sports bra if you're going to do a class, be jumping around a lot, like a dance class, I think you're good. You're gonna be supported. You're not gonna be bouncing around everywhere. You're gonna stay in. So I think that's a really good cup size and support system. But for me, the fit was just a little off. Okay, so that was my Dia & Co. Active Box. If you don't know Dia, they are a plus size styling company. They do regular clothing boxes and they do active boxes. So you pay a $20 styling fee and a stylist picks out items for you. They send it to you. You try them on at home. You keep what you like and you send back what you don't like. All shipping is paid for. The $20 goes towards an item that you keep. You get a 25% discount if you keep all 5 items. So it's really good if you don't want to go out shopping or if it's just too overwhelming to go into like a big department store and pick out items. They're gonna pick pieces that they think you'll like and you get to try them out, not have to leave your house. So it's a really good company to try new things, try new brands, try new styles. So I also think, I'm not positive it works, but I think it does. I have a free Dia & Co. box, no $20 styling fee, so if you don't like anything, you don't lose money. I believe that link still works. I hope it does. And then if not, if you already have tried Dia, you can try it again. I will leave another link for that. So if you want to try it out, I will leave some links down below. And like I said, if you like it and you want to get a friend to do it, they have that referral program that anyone can do and you get $30 towards your items. So free clothes, who doesn't like that? So my total was $311.95, and then if 25% off was taken off, my whole total would be $233.96 for 5 items, and then I get the $20 off as well. I don't think I'm gonna keep all 5 items. I did have some fit issues, like I think that tank top and the sports bra would need to be sized up a little bit. So I need to make some decisions, but I am 100% keeping that jacket. It is so amazing, so warm. So I think the $20 fee is gonna go towards that, making it $56, which again, is probably what you would pay at Torrid or something. So I think it's really comparable to the prices across the board. Also, don't forget your stylist is a real person, so you can write them a note, send them links to Pinterest, to Instagram. You can send them things, all the names in this. Be like, Shannon got a really cool jacket that was called the blah, blah, blah. Send me that jacket. So they really listen, and they listened to me when I was like, this is what worked for me, these styles did, this color didn't, and I want a jacket, and they sent me a jacket. So they really try their best to listen and make it the perfect box for you. And again, you can always send back what you don't like. So I think that's it. If you're new here, please subscribe. I do plus size fashion videos every Wednesday, and I have a cute dog. He's back there, he's a corgi. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye.